Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxings, skincare and makeup tutorials, and then I also do product reviews along the way. So today I want to do a new morning skincare routine video for you guys, because for me, since I'm a little bit older, I'm about to turn 35 years of age, and I have very dry skin. And many a times I have my followers asking me or telling me like, oh my god, your skin looks so great, your makeup looks flawless, you can't tell you're dry, how do you get your skin glowing? And they have similar issues and concerns. And I always tell them, it's your skincare, do your skincare. Moisturizers and serums are so crucial, along with your toner. Skipping that step in the morning will make or break your makeup application, and that's not only my opinion, that's many others as well. So I'm going to be going over what I'm currently doing. Again, my routine changes with product only, but it stays pretty consistent in the sense of what type of products I am using. So this morning I used this Derma-E Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. This is a very good cleanser. It has no soy, no gluten, it's vegan and cruelty free. It's also very affordable, and what I like about this thus far is that it doesn't dry my skin out. And many of you guys probably have felt this before. When you get a cleanser that is, yes, it cleansed your skin, but your face feels so tight. It's like, ugh, that's horrible. Because I didn't want to make this a complete mess. I did this before starting my video. And then typically what I do next is I grab my little lip balm. This biossance lip balm that I recently received a few weeks back, or I have like 2 other ones as well that I rotate. I just grabbed a little bit, see right there, just been using the evening lip mask from both Lanier and also the Bite Beauty Agave mask. I rotate them depending on what my needs are, but oh my gosh, those have been lifesavers. My lips are not as dry and cracked anymore. Makes it comfortable. You're gonna wear a matte lipstick. The next thing I do in my routine is toning. So this is from Good Molecules. This is now my 3rd bottle that I'm actually opened. I opened this literally 2 days ago. I had gone to an event back in the summer for Good Molecules, and they gave everyone who attended a nice little goodie bag with items, and they graciously sent me some more stuff like 2 months ago, a month and a half ago. And this toner has been absolutely amazing. It's very gentle. It has namasa, I can't pronounce that word, sorry, but that actually helps reduce the signs of pores. It also helps brighten your skin, and in this one in particular, it actually helps hydrate as well. So while other toners make you feel dry out or they sting, this one is very, very gentle on your skin, and it's only $14. This product is sold through Beautylish or directly, of course, through the Good Molecules website. There's vitamin C and licorice root as well, which again helps reduce the signs of enlarged pores, and in my opinion, that's just wonderful. Try to pat it in around my nose and on my cheek area, where I typically tend to have the most pores. And see, automatically it gives you a subtle glow. My next products, just so you guys know, are also from Good Molecules. Use is the Good Molecules Squalene Oil. This has actually helped keep my acne at bay, where I don't have as bad of breakouts anymore. Take a little bit. I put it in my problem areas, which is my cheeks and my chin. and I just pat it in so that way it absorbs into my skin. And again, this really helps keep your acne at bay. So if you have acne prone skin, I highly recommend it. The serum could be used in the morning and the evening. This way it keeps your acne again in check. The next thing I've been loving to use is this Derma-E Ultra Hydrating Serum. This has hyaluronic acid and green tea. This is meant to help reduce the signs of fine lines, wrinkles, and it leaves your skin feeling really smooth and hydrated. I also personally like that I only take about 2 small pumps basically. Just pat it. Oh, I love the scent. It has like a very nice kind of rosy mixed with green tea scent, in my opinion. It's always best to get your skincare down your neck because we also get wrinkles and, you know, our skin starts sagging down here, so definitely want some hydration. So many times I rotate between 3 different hyaluronic acid serums, and I got this about 2 weeks ago now, and I started using this one daily because I've been really liking it, and I like the scent too. It has like that really nice scent, and most other hyaluronic acid serums I have, I don't like the scent as much. So, but anyways, once I apply my hyaluronic acid serums, I will take this cold press rosehip seed oil, which is filled with antioxidants and vitamin A. So that actually helps your skin elasticity. Again, we want to try our best to keep our skin elasticity kind of where it's at or slow down the aging process. So any little extra step we could do, it's going to benefit you in the long haul. It's never too early to start a good skincare routine. Also, again, just like I mentioned in the beginning, the more you take care of your skin, the better your makeup application is going to look. But anyways, so I would take this, you squeeze it out, and I usually do a full serum. I typically do about 4 to 5 drops because I press my hands together. And press it into my skin. Again, this is what's gonna help. This helps make sure it all gets absorbed properly and evenly. See? So I'm done with oils and serums. Next thing I'm gonna do, next I take my Fresh Beauty Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Eye Cream. I've been using this for about a week now. Again, I always rotate my skincare. I typically have 3 different eye creams I rotate. I have one that's specifically for the evening, and then I have 2 the daytime. But one of them I just finished, so which this came at the perfect time, because definitely for me this is a perfect this formula. I really love it for my morning routine. I take my little kind of spatula. I actually like using the bottom end. Take this much. Also, I highly recommend you guys do your lids. So many times I see people only caring for their under eye area, but again, back to makeup, your eyelids get all the product actually, and when you have very dry skin, like me, I always tell everyone my skin is as dry as the Sahara Desert. Adding some moisture before any kind of concealer or eyeshadow primer, it really helps to smooth out your eyeshadow base. And then I had applied just a little bit too much on my right eye. Oh, but yeah, this new eye cream that I got, again, about a week ago, I did get it through Influencer to review. I've been really enjoying it. It's so cooling and moisturizing. I've noticed I've had less issues, again, with my eyeshadows application, even on simple days, and with my concealer. I haven't had so many issues with creasing, and I could tell it's slowly starting to brighten my under eyes, because I had started getting a little bit of darkness in this area. Okay, we're almost there, you guys, I promise. So for moisturizer, again, I typically rotate. If I'm gonna be using my makeup that day, so basically it's a makeup prep, I actually like using this Derma-E Hydrating Day Cream. This actually leaves you with a tacky base, and personally I love a tacky base. I always comment to people that I like a tacky primer as well. If it's a day where I'm kind of like in a rush and I need to skip primer, because honestly, if your moisturizer is good, you can skip primer. At least I have. This is awesome. I've actually done that like twice since I got it. And no makeup day, this is a great moisturizer for me. Or again, I could use it under makeup as well, but that's what I've been personally using it for, because it's very, very hydrating, and it could be used in the daytime or the nighttime, even though I do have the Lotus Evening Cream as well. But I really have enjoyed this, and my husband has liked it as well. These have very nice soft scents. This smells like a lotus flower, kind of. It's nothing overpowering, and they go away pretty fast. I'm gonna do my makeup after filming this. I'm gonna use the Derma-E. Again, I take my little spatula, I did wipe it off. See how thick that is? Again, always take your moisturizers and serums down to your neckline. This is going to make a world of a difference for you. Now you can do it with your hands, or I know I see sometimes people using a makeup brush. I currently don't actually have a brush that I feel comfortable using for the moisturizer application, because I've tried it and the ones that I own just absorb too much of the product, and I don't want to waste it either, you know what I mean? So if you have a good brush that is a little bit more on the firmer side, so that, because if it's too soft, it's just going to absorb into the hairs, and you just wasted a bunch of product, and skincare can be pricey. See, that is going to be perfect for my makeup. Like, making sure to apply your moisturizer just really locks all the other oils and serums into place. They absorb into your fine lines, your wrinkles, pores, without clogging as well. And again, you are left with a nice, beautiful canvas so you can start your makeup application. I know this is a very extensive skincare routine, but trust me when I say this is basically my magic trick to having a great foundation day. Because they're like, last week I took a few pictures of some makeup looks, and my breakouts right here were bad, you guys. They were bad. I've been using face mask in the evenings and an exfoliant. Actually, I've been using the Derma-E peel, but they were really bad. They were lifted. It just, you know, it was not appealing in my case. And in my pictures, you could kind of see there was like a few spots here and there, but it wasn't, again, it didn't look bad. And the rest of my face looked flawless. And I don't really edit my pictures. I will crop the pictures like for a different backdrop, but or maybe brighten it, but I don't actually do any skin or texture editing. For one, I suck at it. I've tried and it made my face look so distorted. And two, I personally, for myself, I don't like how the pictures look when I have tried to edit them. It looks too fake to me. And for me, I have embraced my age. I have embraced my fine lines, even though I'm trying to beat them out with my skincare, but it took me many years to find self-love. The editing apps are perfectly fine if you're just trying to enhance a few things, but for me, I just don't like it for myself, because again, it's a personal thing. And I know many of us, especially women, we all go through these phases where we felt very insecure, you know, and it took me this long to finally love myself as I am, and I'm gonna show it, flaws and all, acne and all, you know. But anyways, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed my current morning skincare routine. Before we leave the video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. I did forget to comment it earlier in the video, so before you guys leave, please make sure to comment below what your current skincare routine is. Also, let me know if you guys learned any tips from this video. If you guys have any suggestions on future content you guys would like me to do, please let me know, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the comments. Goodbye.